Right, the 1st of December, no, sorry, 1st of January. Great start to a blinking year, isn't it? Right, while everyone's nursing their hangovers, we're going off-roading. Oh, you made it then. Overgrown? It is a bit overgrown. Huh? It is a bit overgrown.
Yeah, just a bit.
Ah, hang on. It unclipped my boot, that did. Oh. Picking up the sticks. What's rubbing? Something's rubbing. Landy. Oh, it's spinning. Oh, semi-automatic clutch. Oh, lovely, isn't it? Don't have to worry about putting the clutch in. I would have stalled it then, probably. Oh, that's a bit of a lot of me. Still not out of the woods yet. Woo!
Oh, it's so slipping along there.
Did we have some massive storms recently? Ooh. Oh, that's all right.
Rather your backlight is flashing.
There we go. Oh! Ow. No. Hang on, Andy.
Oh, Christ.
I just realised. Let's have a look. I don't think we can get through this way. Yeah, we can't get through this way. That's that storm. Dear oh dear.
Yeah, we can't get through that one, can we?
No, we cannot.
Let's get round it.
Nope.
No, fuck.
The road's only over there as well.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh, fuck it. Fix that side. Oh.
If we take apart my bike, I reckon I could get my bike through maybe. If I take it apart and chuck it over.
Nah, that's got us beat.
Well, that thing's must have been here how long? How many years do you think this tree's been here?
Yeah.
All that rainfall we had and all that wind.
Yeah.
That was it.
Bugger.
Do you want me to do it? There's a horse rubber thing there, isn't there?
Oh yeah, well done. That's it.
Oh, it's a bit heavier than mine.
Yeah.
Oh, we put a bit of petrol out.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, bit of adventure in the morning. Hang on. I punched a tree.
Oh. Bleeding.
Yeah. Missing a good chunk of skin off that. Let me just whack a plaster on it. It's the first time I've actually used my first aid kit on myself. Usually it's other people I patch up.
Ah.
Cool, that's bleeding a bit, innit? We'll go to Riker's Calf at some point.
A what?
We'll go to Riker's Calf.
Oh right, yeah.
We'll stop there for a bit. In a
It's
few.
all been done up now. It's quite nice up there now.
Yeah. Oh, did me. Just fine. I am the invisible man. Oh no. Everything went underwater then. Holy cow.
That's that pale grey track.
Cool. That was worse coming up. Definitely.
Was it?
Oh, definitely. Absolutely. That took us way longer to come back. Yeah, byway of control traffic, yeah. Ah. Whoops.
Down there.
It's on my foot actually. I don't think I can actually get up with these.
Hang on.
Yeah, it's completely pinned. The whole exhaust is on my foot right now.
Have a little rest.
I just thought I'd have a lie down for a minute.
This is where Phil came off last time.
He went over there.
Yeah.
It was very light. Careful. You'll pull up the grips. Oh.
There you go. Slippy.
Oh. Oh.
It was after this lane you discovered your suspension was stuck, wasn't it?
Well, the bolt came off.
Was that a year ago or 2 years ago?
I think it's 2 years ago now.
2 years?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
I think it was 2 years ago. I'll have a look, but I'm pretty sure it's 2 years ago.
I thought it was a year ago.
Right, so that just dumped the fuel out, didn't it? Or some of the fuel came out. Oh, I don't know what happened there. I just lost the front end and just went for a lie down. Oh well, first crash of the year.
Nice soft landing.
Oh yeah, it was a lovely soft landing. That was good. Yep, still, all my bits are still intact. Oh. Yeah, she's back again. Huh. Oh, it's been redone. Where's the water? It's been redone.
Oh, yeah, this used to be a big fucking deep puddle.
Yeah.
All gone.
I was a bit nervous about that as well. I was like, oh, I don't fancy going through the deep water today.
Remember when we did this when it was shut? It was all slow.
Shh. Huh.
That left side, the front, suddenly disappeared. And then that threw me onto the other side. I think the other side.
I saw you a bit sideways. I was
put
like,
an arrow on the trailer.
it's all fine. Thank you. All right. I'll wait for her to get to the end. Yeah. Oh, my poor engine, covered in mud. I didn't seem that deep. Oh. I don't want to chance it.
It's deeper than it was the other day.
Yeah, it's quite deep, that is.
Yeah. That's the deepest I found it for a while.
We'll stop at the end of the lane. I'll stop at the end of the lane. I just want to scrape some of the mud off my engine. I'll just wait for that to dry off, really. Let's get rid of all this weight, this excess weight. All the leaves and stuff in my sump guard. There we go.
At least a bit of air to get to it now.
Yeah. Oh, just in time for the rain.
Yeah, I was hoping to get home before.
Oh well. A few days later, I do need to clean this up because this bike is not happy. All this mud everywhere, it's not happy. So we're going to get a brush on that. Brush it all out. Dear oh dear, give this a clean up.